We have been given some square numbers here, and let's say it's asked to tell the number of digits in the square roots of these square numbers without calculating the square roots. You have to tell the number of digits that will be present in the square roots of these numbers without calculating them. So let me tell you a shortcut way. This is a 3-digit number. Starting from the rightmost digit, make the pairs. So these two zeros will make one pair. Put a bar on this one. Okay, this is a bar. Now we have only one digit left. Put a bar on this one. How many bars do we have in this number? 1 bar and 2 bar. So we have total 2 bars here. Therefore, the number of digits present in the square root of this number will be 2. And this is quite simple because we know that the square root of 100 is what? 10. So how many digits? 1 digit and 2 digit. That's here. Okay, now look at this one. We have 144. Again, starting from the rightmost digit, make pairs. And since only single digit is left, put a bar on this one. How many bars do we have? We have 1 plus 1, that is 2 bars. It means that the number of digits that will be present in the square root of this number, that is 144, will be 2. And this is also very simple. The square root of 144 is, we know that, is 12. If you take this one again, pairing 9 and 6, and this one left, so put the bar on this digit 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is the number of digits present in the square root of this number, and this is very simple. The square root of 169 is 13. So 1 digit and 2 digit, right? Now, if you take this one pair, so put a bar on this one, and another pair, so put a bar on this one. Now we have 2 bars again, so 1 bar plus 1 bar, that is 2 bars. Now the square root of 1089 is 33. Again, we have 2 digits, so we can see that this 2 is telling the number of digits that will be present in the square root of this number, and that is clear from this number. Same, if you take this number and start making pairs, so a bar on the first pair, another bar on this pair, and another bar on this pair. Now in this case we have total 3 bars. Therefore, the number of digits in the square root of this number, this is a square number, so the number of digits present in the square root of this number will be 3, and the square root of this number is 369. So 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit here we have. Okay, now take this one pair, second pair and third pair. Again you have 3 bars, and the square root of this number is what? The square root of this number is 567. Okay, now the square root of this number is 567, 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. Therefore, the number of digits that will be present in the square root can be clearly, told from this one by calculating the number of bars. Now, if you take this one bar, another bar, and 1 digit left, so it's here. Now, how many bars do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 bars. So the number of digits in the square root of this number will be 4. So the square root of this number is actually 1067. So clearly this 1067 has actually 4 digits. Okay, so this is a way to tell the number of digits in the square root without calculating the square root. But if someone asks you that, can you tell a pattern, or can you show us some pattern? On the basis of that we can tell that if a square number has these many digits, then the square root, its square root will have that many digits. Yes, we have a pattern. So let me show you the pattern, how to tell how many digits will be present in the square root of number. We have 1, we have 100, we have 10,000, and here we have 10 lakh. Okay, now This one is what? Is a one digit number. This is 100, three digit number. This is four digit number, sorry, five digit number, and this is seven digit number. The square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 100 is 10. The square root of 10,000 is 100. And the square root of 10 lakh is 1000. Okay, now, if you look at this number, you have, this is a single digit number. Okay, the square root 1 is also a single digit number. Okay. Now, what comes before 100? That comes 99. Okay, 100. 100 is the first three-digit number. Is the first three-digit number. 100 is the first three-digit number, and its square root 10 is the first two-digit number. Right? 10 is the first two-digit number. Now, from 1 to 99, between 1 and 99, including 1 and 99, you will have some square numbers between 1 and 99, including 1 and 99, right? So, those square numbers will be either of one-digit number, those square numbers will be either one digit or will be of two digits. Clear? Why? Because 99 is a two-digit number and the 100 is the first two-digit number. We are taking from 1 and 99. So, between 1 and 99, you will have either one digit or two digits square numbers. Now, since 10 is the first two-digit number, which is actually the square root of 100, it means that whatever square root comes between for these one digit and two digits number will be actually having only one digit square root. Let me repeat it again. Why that's only one digit square root? From 1 to 99, all the numbers that will be square numbers will be either having one digit or two digits, right? And since this 10 is the first two-digit number, that is actually the square root of 100, it means that whatever square root comes before 10 will be only of single digit. Therefore, it means that if your square number is having one digit or two digits, then the number of digits present in the square root of those square numbers will be having only one digit. Okay. Now, what comes before 10,000? 9,999. Okay, this is a number. Now, this 10,000 is actually what? Is the first five-digit number. Okay. Now, 100 is a three-digit number and 9,999 is a four-digit number. It means that from 100 to 9,999, the square numbers that come between these two numbers, including 100 and 9,999, will be of either will be having either three digits or four digits, because this is the largest four-digit number. It means that between 100 and 9,999, the square numbers will be having either three digits or four digits. Okay, so three digits or four digits. Now, 10,000, its square root is what? It's 100. This 100 is what? Is the first three-digit number. The first three-digit number is 100, which is the square root of 10,000. It means that the square numbers that come between 100 and 9999, including these two numbers, those square roots of these numbers will be having two digits only, because 3 digit starts from here. So 3 digits number or 4 digit square numbers will be having 2 digits square root. Okay, now this is 10,000, first 5 digit number, and this is 10 lakh, this is first 7 digit number. Okay, this is the square root of 10 lakh, that is 1000, and this is the first 4 digit number. Okay, what comes before 10 lakh? 9,99,999. This is the number that comes before 10 lakh. This is the largest 6 digit number. This is the largest 6 digit number. It means that from 10,000 to 9,99,999, let me write it here. This is the largest 6 digit number. So the square numbers that come between 10,000 and 9,99,999, including both these two numbers, will have either 5 digits or 6 digits. Right? Now, since this is the first 4 digit number, that is 1000, that is square root of this 10 lakh, it means that all these square numbers will have their square root having just 3 digits, that is 3 digits square root, because the 4 digit square root starts from here. That's why all those square numbers either having 5 digits or 6 digits will have 3 digits square root, because we are starting from 10,000 and this is the 100, first 3 digit number. So what's the pattern? If you have 1 digit or 2 digits in your square numbers, then the square root will have only one digit. If your square numbers have 3 digits or 4 digits, then the square root will have 2 digits. If your number has 5 digits or 6 digits, square numbers has 5 digits or 6 digits, then its square root will have 3 digits. So 1 or 2, 1 digit, 3 or 4, 2 digits, 5 or 6, 3 digits, 7 or 8 digits, 4 digit square root, then 9 and 10, 5 digits, in that way. So in general we can say that from this basis, if your square number has n digit, right? Sorry, if it has even number of digits, then the number of digits present in the square root will be n by 2, right? Can you see here? Here you have 2 digits, so you have 1 digit square root. So if your n is 2, then 2 by 2 gives you 1. When you have 4 digits, your square root has actually 2 digits only, so it means that 4 divided by 2, that is 2. If your number of digits in the square number is 6 digits, so its square root will have 6 by 2, that is 3 digits in its square root. So this is for the even number of digits, that is n by 2. Now if you have to talk about, let me remove this. If you have to talk about odd number of digits present in square numbers. If your square number has odd number of digits, then the number of digits in the square root will be n plus 1 divided by 2. And let me show you here. When your square number has one digit, then its square root has one digit. So when your odd number has just one digit, so 1 plus 1 divided by 2, this gives you 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2 is 1. So you have one digit here. When your square number has 3 digits, then the number of digits in the square root will be 3 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. So we have 2 here. When your square number, that is odd number, has 5 digits, right? It has 5 number of digits, then the number of digits in the square root will be 5 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. So basically this is the formula actually using which you can tell that is, if your square number is having even number of digits, then n by 2 will be the formula to tell the number of digits in its square root. But if your square number contains odd number of digits, then the number of digits present in its square root will be n plus 1 by 2. These are the two patterns. According to this pattern, you can use these, you can tell this formula.